Hey everyone, welcome back to My Best Fitness, where we empower you to live your healthiest life. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to save time and eat well: meal prep for beginners. Whether you're new to cooking or just looking to streamline your week, I've got some fantastic strategies to help you get started and boost your productivity in the kitchen. Let's jump right in. What is meal prep? First off, let's talk about what meal prep really is. Meal prepping involves preparing your meals in advance, so you have healthy options ready to go throughout the week. This can mean batch cooking, portioning out meals, or simply prepping ingredients. The key is to set yourself up for success and reduce the stress of daily cooking. Segment 2. Now, why should you meal prep? Here are a few benefits. It saves time. Spend a couple of hours prepping on the weekend and you'll have meals ready for the entire week. Reduces food waste. Planning your meals helps you use up ingredients before they spoil. Improves nutrition. You control what goes into your meals, making it easier to stick to healthy choices. Saves money. Buying in bulk and preparing meals can significantly reduce your grocery bills. Segment 3. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of getting started with meal prep. Here are my top strategies. Essential tools. Invest in some good quality containers. Glass or BPA-free plastic work best. Keep a sharp knife, a cutting board, and a few measuring cups handy. Plan your meals. Start by creating a simple meal plan. Choose recipes that share ingredients to simplify your shopping list. Aim for a balance of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats in each meal. Make a grocery list. Write down everything you need based on your meal plan. Stick to the list to avoid impulse buys. And now let's talk about cooking efficiently. Batch cooking. Cook large portions of grains, proteins, and veggies that you can mix and match throughout the week. For example, roast a big tray of vegetables and grilled chicken or tofu all at once. One pot or sheet pan meals. These recipes minimize cleanup and are super easy to prepare. Just toss your ingredients together and let the oven do the work. Sorting and organizing meal. Once your meals are cooked, it's time to store them properly. Advertising. Use labels to mark containers with dates and meal names. This helps you keep track of what needs to be eaten first. Proper storage. Store meals in the fridge for up to 4 days and freeze anything you won't eat within that time frame. This way, you can enjoy your meals at their best. Simple meal prep ideas. Here are a few simple meal prep ideas to get you started. Grain bowls. Cook a base of quinoa or brown rice and top with various proteins and veggies. Mason jar salads. Layer your ingredients in a jar for fresh salads that are ready to grab and go. Overnight oats. Prep oatmeal for breakfast by combining oats, yogurt, and fruit in jars. They're perfect for busy mornings. So there you have it. Meal prep strategies for beginners that can help you save time and eat healthier. Remember, the key to productivity is consistency and planning. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and let me know in the comments your favorite meal prep ideas. Thanks for watching and happy prepping.